Okay. He's a twin. Does that mean him and his twin? Okay. Yay. It's a bunch of short people. It's a miracle come true. It's just a bunch of short people. Just a bunch of short people. What is he, like 5'4"? Hinata's like 5'3", and I'm like 5 foot. Short club, let's go. Straight to my heart, oh yeah. I got all the yes. Feels for sure. Yeah, I got all the feels for ya. Why did I ever break up with her? That's my question. Boy, I know I get the feels. Yes. Boy, I know you feel. Is it because I dated Yachi? Sway in the moonlight, dance in the dark. I know that I caught your eye. What is with all the short people? So many short people. Oh yeah, why are you ruining my date? You were the closest to my height. Why? Are we on the same vibe? Yes, I love ending up with Haikyuu. Yes. 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 I make good and I want